Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to do the mask off transition that you've seen trending on TikTok and Instagram lately. It's actually very quick and easy to do because you're only going to require 2 clips in editing, but I am going to go through everything from filming to editing, so stick around. So I'm going to try to do the before part of the transition, so this is what it's going to look like. So I have my phone, and the first thing that you're going to want to do is open up Reels so that you can sync in the music. So you're just going to come over here, find the song, Mask Off by Future. So you're going to want to scroll to the lyrics first, and you want to find Chase a Check. Never chaser, okay? So you want to film yourself first and then shift the phone to the right like this. So it follows your hand, okay? Make sure that when you do that, you have like a very swift motion when you pan the phone over to your hand. And you want to make sure to do the whole movement through because that's really what's going to help your transition be smooth after. All right, now that I am done filming the before part, I'm going to move on to the after transition. So let me just get ready and put on my makeup and then I'll be right back. Now that I have my full glam on, I am ready to film the after part of the transition. The light has shifted a little bit, but I'm not too concerned about that because it's just going to be requiring the swift motion that I talked about earlier. So this is how we're going to do that. Do the exact same thing by opening up Reels and recording the same movement the whole way through. Make sure to save your final videos for both the before and after clips because we're going to be importing them later. Now that you have both of your clips ready to go, the before and after, it's time to edit. So today we're going to be using Capcut and you're going to start a new project. You're going to start trimming the first clip to where your hand moves from out here back into your face. Okay, so you did the whole like hand gesture thing and then you move it back into your face. The second clip starts where that movement begins and then ends on your face, and then you do your little like movement after that too. Play around with the trimming here so that the hand movements flow seamlessly. And when you're done, add the music by pressing audio, extract it, and import the song you need. Alternatively, if you don't want to use your middle finger as the hand gesture, you can just do anything else, like a peace sign or whatever, and then just continue like that. So by the end of the whole thing, you should have something that looks like this. I hope you were able to get your mask off transition from this tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to tag me on Instagram because I would love to see it and I would love to share it, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and other things about life. With that being said, go create a life that you're proud of. See you next time. Bye!